Hi, this is Dave, Fellering Guide. Welcome to another navigation task. In this one, we've got to compare photograph and map and see if we can identify two things. Firstly, where was the photograph taken from? And secondly, can we find on the map the little pond that's highlighted in the red circle there? So that's the task. There's the photo and there's the map. Let's have a look at the photo without the red line on it to start with. What can we see? Well, we're looking downhill, down steep ground to a large water feature, lake, and in that lake we've got these two little islands. That's quite distinctive. Then beyond the islands, beyond the lake, you can see we've got this big large forested area off to the right here. A bit further out and over to the left of the lake as we look is this medium-sized water feature there, and then we've got this ridge of rocky ground dropping down below us down to the lake. So can we see that on the map? Well, these are our lakes, and this one here has got your two little islands in it, so it makes sense that we're looking down on this lake. Yeah, we've got a large green forested area beyond the lake, and then we've got another largish body of water there, another one there, small body of water here, some small bodies of water there. So makes sense that we're looking down from this high ground here, Mel Shabod, down towards the lake and the forest. But can we identify exactly where the photo was taken from? And what we're going to do is use something called transits, which is lining up two features and seeing if we can work out where they are in relation to us, and work out if we can work out where the photo was taken from. So let's have a look. So first of all, if we take a direct line from the middle of the photo and we draw it out through that first island and out beyond the lake, we can see that the majority, in fact almost all of this forest, is off to our right hand side. So let's see what that looks like on the map. Let's say we think we are here. So if we draw a line from here down through that island and beyond, we'll see if we do that, that all this forest is off to our left, which wasn't what we wanted, was it? We wanted the forest to be on our right. So we can't be on this bit of the high ground looking down onto the lake. So it rules that out. Let's go a little bit further. Let's say we think we're on this little crag here. Draw a straight line out through that first bit, that first island and beyond. If we do that, look, we should be in a dead straight line with the outflow of that lin, the chlin. And then if we go beyond that, we should just clip the left hand side of the forest with most of the forest off to our right. And then this water feature here is much further off to our left if we do that. Okay, so that's drawing a transit line from that crag through the island, through the outflow and into the forest. So what does that look like on the photo if we do that? So in the centre of the photo, through that first island and there, we see that outflow is there, so that doesn't line up. It puts us out to here with most of the forest off to the right. Yeah, that water feature is off to our left. That's not quite right with that one. what if we were to go from the centre of the photograph in line with that left island? That would put us just onto that other water feature that we could see in the distance there. So let's go back to the map and see how that compares. What we'll do this time is do it in reverse. We were going from that water feature through the centre of that left-hand island. So that's going to put us somewhere there on the ridge. So we're getting a bit closer now. So let's have a look one more time, see if we can identify something else. Okay, so let's have a look at the edge of this lake as we look, and then we've got these water features here and that far water feature. So again, we'll draw a straight line from the centre of the photo along the edge of that lake, and it puts us just on the left hand side as we look of that far water feature, and it just clips two of these smaller features and a larger one just off to the left. So again, looking at the map and doing it in reverse, so we were looking at that far water feature there and we were just hitting the left hand side of it. So if we draw a line back from that, clipping the edge of the lake as we looked, and just you see these two little ponds there just going through them, then that puts us in line there. So the answer is, at that point there is roughly, not absolutely spot on, but pretty close to that point there, which means that that pond there, just get rid of that first one, that pond there, the larger one of these little ponds, is the one that we wanted there on the original photo. So that's using transit lines to work out where we were. Hope you got that one right. Thanks for watching, and look out for more of these navigation challenges.